Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set notification preferences in Lendio. Customizing your notification settings helps you to stay informed without being overwhelmed. Here's how to do it. So first, log into your Lendio account using your email address and password. Then click on your profile icon or just open account settings. There you want to find and select the notification tab. You're going to see different categories such as loan application updates, funding offers, account alerts, and promotional emails. Use the toggle switches or checkboxes to turn each notifications types on and off. For critical alerts like account activities and loan status alerts, Lendio may require at least one channel, that's either email, SMS, or in-app, to remain enabled. After making adjustments, scroll down and click Save Preferences, and your new notification settings will be applied immediately. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.